Welcome, amigos. Today we are going to ask some questions and know their answers. The first question is: what is sentient consciousness? Sentient consciousness is the capacity to have subjective, qualitative experiences and internal feelings, often referred to in philosophy as qualia. While consciousness broadly covers wakefulness and self-awareness, sentience specifically denotes the ability to perceive and feel sensations like pain, pleasure, or warmth. Key dimensions: phenomenal consciousness, the what it is like aspect of an experience, such as the specific redness of a sunset. Subjectivity, the existence of a self or an internal observer that anchors these experiences. Sensory perception, the processing of external stimuli into an internal felt reality rather than just mechanical data collection. In modern science, sentience is generally attributed to organisms with a central nervous system, though the exact biological mechanism that turns neural firing into a subjective feeling remains the hard problem of consciousness. But even though we do not know the exact biological mechanisms that turns neural firing into a subjective feeling, we know that consciousness is a product of complex neural processing within the brain. So we know it's related to the brain and it is caused by the neural processing in the brain. And maybe one day we are gonna know the exact mechanism that turns neural firing into a subjective feeling. So that was our first question. Now we are gonna ask another question, a funny question. Do dogs have sentient consciousness? The answer is yes, they do. They experience subjective feelings, emotions, and sensory perceptions similar to humans. Evidence for canine sentience. 1. Neurological similarity. Dogs have brain structures for processing emotions like the amygdala and hypothalamus that are nearly identical to ours. The Cambridge Declaration. In 2012, a group of prominent neuroscientists signed a declaration stating that non-human animals, including mammals like dogs, have the neuroanatomical substrates to generate consciousness. 3. Emotional complexity. MRI studies show that dogs' brains react to the scent of their owners or the sound of happy or sad human voices in ways that suggest empathy and attachment rather than just instinct. 4. Pain and pleasure. Dogs display clear behavioral and physiological responses to physical pain and emotional distress, indicating a felt experience rather than just a mechanical reaction. Sources are in the description.